Let me do another video because I have a feeling that you guys will ask me to do is press the reset button. So I press the reset button, press it down. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, and nothing happened. Hold on the button. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Still no power. This was 99% charging while I was doing a video on it and try to connect to Bluetooth. And when I did a shutdown, that's when I had this problem. Okay, because I wanted to test the Bluetooth with the Android. So I did this, but there's no reason to do this because there's no micro SD card underneath here. But let's do this anyway. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. There's still nothing happening. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, somebody might suggest that. So I'll hold this down. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Still no power. Okay. Most of the time, if you plug this in, you push this, it will at least light up. So I hold it. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Still no power light. Come on. Okay. There's no SD card. It's not booting up to any operating system. As you can see, I could put the micro SD card in here. There's no micro SD card in here. Okay. You can push it in, push it out. Okay. No micro SD card. The system suddenly just went dead. And so when you hold it like this, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. And I do have issue when this is plugged in, you cannot turn this on. So you have to unplug it. And also just to demonstrate that this power, it is active power. So right now there's no light here. And I'm going to plug it in. And as I plug in, there is light right there. Okay. And when I unplug it, okay, there's no light. So this one it does have power. This thing do not work at all. It doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't matter what kind of 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Still, it is totally dead. It does not even power up when you plug the power in. So yeah. Just want to show everybody I have tried a lot of different way to power this on, and it doesn't power on. Like when you scrolling the game list, it will automatically go to a R, like acting like you are trying to load the game when I didn't press the A button. I'm just using the D-pad scrolling down the game list, and then it will automatically go to a R local, and then it will not turn off, turn on. It will just sit there forever. I have to hold this button to turn it off, to turn it back on, and that happened a lot. So it started with that problem, and then it lead to this second problem, which is totally dead. So yes, this is what I am running into. Thank you for watching.